What is your view about Zimbabwe's industrialization strategy? Zimbabwe has been going through a good spell in the past 3 years. We have seen our manufacturing sector increasing. And what do you think SADC stands to learn and benefit from the growth in Zimbabwe's industrial sector?
Basically, the fathers who established the SADC as a regional economic community, one of the objectives was regional integration. So as of 10 years ago, SADC developed what we call the SADC Industrialization Strategy and Roadmap 2015 to 2063. This is a guiding tool or a blueprint which is cascading down from the Africa Union 2063 to guide nations, regional economic communities, as well as the continent at large on how we should industrialize. So with the Zimbabwe's industrialization strategy, it is learning, or it has more or less modeled its policies towards these regional blueprints as well as the continental guidelines to make sure that as we are developing, as we are promoting our manufacturing, we are able to learn what is the best practice. So we feel that the trajectory that Zimbabwe has portrayed so far is in the right direction, and it will help in the regional integration, which is the objective of the SADC as it was being established.